Hello, FCS 2250 Computer Application students. Mr. Lang here. We are in Excel Section 2, Exercise 2. Let's go ahead and start going. So we're going to begin here and see if my screen will readjust and see what happens. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I'm going to press my Escape key and see what happens here. Give it a second to readjust. We'll try to do full screen one more time. That's always fun. All right, it looks like it's going to stick. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and increase my size a little bit so we can see things a little differently. I'll move my directions over there. Let's go. We got 6 things to do. We need to adjust the column width of column A to 17 characters. So I'm going to put my mouse, well, I need to activate my spreadsheet first. If I put my mouse between A and B right on the line there and click, if you look in this location, you will see the measurements. I can click and I can drag. Now it needs to go to 17 characters. If you can't go right to 17 characters, and sometimes I can, oh, there it goes. I get it. And sometimes I don't. 17 1.4. So you know what? Sometimes, oh, let's see. Will it stick? It did. But if you are unable to do that, there is another way. So let's go ahead and check that. So click the column letter A. You can right click on the column. We can choose column width, and then you can type that in right there. So if you're not able to click and drag that, that's another option. So pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and close that right there. And I'm going to go ahead and click my save button there. All right, we're on 2 of 6. Use the replace feature to replace the value of 32 to 36 for all occurrences, and then close the find and replace dialog box. All right, so here is the find and select. So I'm going to actually click in the beginning of the document. Always nice to kind of start right from the beginning. Find and select, we'll find and replace there. All right, and what do we want to replace? We're going to replace 32 with 36. And we will choose replace all. Okay. Now I didn't get, usually some things will pop up telling me, but I do see that my buffet lunch has increased from 32 to 36. All right. So I think we're good with that. You know what? Let's just click that light bulb just to double check. Find and replace. Click the replace. We've done that. 32, tab key, 36, and replace. Click the replace all button. We have done those things. So I think we're pretty good with that. All right, I'm going to hit my save key here after I activated my Excel spreadsheet. We're on 3 of 6. We need to apply the accounting number format to F17. So for the total here, we need the accounting format. We're just going to click that $ right there, accounting. I'll hit my save key. We're going to go to 4 of 6. Apply the comma format to cell F28. So F28, we will apply the comma formatting style, the comma style to that. So we will click that, and now we have the comma style selected for that. All right, and I'm just going to double check that and make sure we're good with that. Yep, we did that. Comma style right in the number. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and close that answer key, and I'm going to reactivate Excel, press my save key. It is saved. Good. 5 of 6. Indent the text in the cells once in the range A18 through A30. So A18 is where we're going to start, the white plus. I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, and we need to select through A30. Again, not the fill handle. That will copy that name to everyone. Use the white plus. We're going to go down to 30. All right, that is my range. I'm going to press my tab key once on my keyboard. Well, that didn't work. I probably need to go up to my alignment and increase indent once. I'm going to double check that though, just for giggles. Select the range, click the increase indent in the alignment group on the tab key. There we go, alignment, and we needed to choose that command right there. So kind of cool. Looks like those are all indented for us just once. We'll go ahead and close that answer key. And I'm going to click somewhere into my Excel spreadsheet and click the Save button. We'll jump into 6 of 6. Apply the Cambria font to the range D1 through D3. So D1 through D3, and I'm not on D1 through D3. There we go. D1 through D3 is my range, and we want to use the Cambria font. So I can click on this here and just start typing Cambria, and it appears, and I'll go ahead and press my enter key there. Another way to do it, you could obviously click the down arrow and in alphabetical order find Cambria and choose it that way as well. All right, so we've got Cambria there just to make sure it fit. Yep, and we'll hit our save key there. All right. Made some great changes. Let's see what we are going to do with our answers. All right, we did very, very well. We are moving right along. So that is the end of our Excel Section 2 exercises. So you now have to complete those assessments. So go ahead and complete those. Again, any questions with those, please let me know. Again, technical difficulty. I hate to say this all the time, but man, reach out to Cirrus. I hate people that are at the lab or they have a couple hours set aside to work on something, and there's a technical difficulty and they email me, and my response back is, you're going to want to talk with the engineers over at Cirrus. They can really help you out. So we have that. Again, in the important links tab on our courses homepage, you can start a chat with our Cirrus team. All right. Well, we will see you in Excel Section 3. Can't wait. Have a great day.